All right, we made it to the noon hour on December 11th, 2024. How y'all doing? All right. Well, I just been exercising, mostly break dancing, doing this, like crazy stuff, And I'm exhausted. Man, when I do break dancing for about 20 seconds, whoo, man, I just need to open up a nice cold one. Even though it's December here in beautiful Utah, I live right below, like literally inches, like 3 inches from Mount Olympus. All right, look it up. Basically the East Mountain in Salt Lake City, Utah. And since it is December 11th, it's cold outside. But baby, it's nice and warm inside the studio here. I got it cranking 75 degrees. And that's because the amount I pay for this commercial building, guess what? The heat and AC is built into the payment. I crank the crap out of the heat. You can get a tan in the winter, and you can freeze your buns off when it's 100 degrees outside. So anyway, I have this new Orange Aid Rockstar Recovery. And look at that. It says Avowed. And if you drink it, you're like this big, sexy, macho skeleton. Okay? Boy, because, I'm a single guy. And when I'm out on the street breakdancing, there's nothing more sexy to a woman than looking like a skeletal, sexy bodybuilder. Okay? Cheers. Oh my gosh, those drinks are good. I wish LiveGood would somehow create Dr. Ryan and Lisa and Ben. They're the CEO and the creators and founders and owners of our company. If you guys can make a delicious, organic, badass energy drink, I'm probably going to spend every dime I have. Okay? Just food for thought. But we do have E3. You can mix in this powder, and it's tasteless. You can put it in water, I don't know, banana juice. Take a banana and just squeeze the juice out of it and drink it. All right? Punch. I don't know. How about coffee, tea? It's nice to have energy, especially when you're a little older like me. I just shaved a lot of my beard off, so it makes me look about 7 days younger. But once this thing grows out again, you can tell I'm born in the 60s. All right? And guys, I don't want to get weaker and more tired. I don't want to get out of bed and my feet are killing me. I don't want to have to sit down on the toilet and then have to yell for someone to help me to get up so I can wipe my little bum. Okay? Now that is in my future. And I think everything that I just mentioned, I'm doing now. But I'm in denial. I keep thinking I'm like 35. All right? Especially when I'm walking down the street like John Travolta in the 70s and Saturday Night Fever. All right? You gotta kind of just think and do and be who you want to be. Okay? Be yourself. What I would like to just talk about for a couple minutes is this. And I just sat for about 20 minutes emailing a lot of people. And you know what? I don't mind, guys. I'm not complaining. Because every video I say, get a hold of me if you need something. There's a lot of people that join my other businesses that help LiveGood. Some people are in other downlines. They've already joined LiveGood. Not in my group, and that's fine. If my advice helps you, awesome. Okay? I believe there's no competition in LiveGood. There's hardly anybody doing it. All right? Sure, we have 1.6 million people. Guys, that's worldwide. Okay? And right now, just in Asian areas alone, do you know there's 50 trillion billion people just in China? All right? There's like 1 trillion billion. Okay? And I don't know how many people are in the United States because we don't count. We probably have 500 million, but we think we only have 300. But I don't know. Canada only has like 30 million. And that country's bigger than the United States, I think, last time I looked. Guys, if you join LiveGood now, I think it's perfect timing because we've had a year or two. We turn to actually December 13th in a couple days. We've had a couple years to get a lot of products out. We have about 50 now. We have shirts and hats and cool stuff. Customer support is doing great. We're based out of Jupiter, Florida. We have a handful of distribution buildings there. We're up in Canada, Mexico, Australia. We're all over the UK. And Asian areas are just kicking butt, guys. Philippines, South Korea, China, obviously, the sleeping giant. Boy, if you have a couple people sign up in China, wow. All right, hold on for the ride. This company is doing well. And I think the main reason is because you don't have to buy products to earn money. And I'm speaking as an affiliate. Okay. I just answered a young lady about being an affiliate. And if you stop paying, okay, you're $10 a month. But if you did join to be an affiliate for that one-time $40 fee, if you don't call LiveGood and cancel and get out of the system, okay, if you join LiveGood now for $49.95, 40, that's to be an affiliate, $9.95 a month, okay, because you have to be a member to be an affiliate to earn money. But you don't have to buy products. But if you just quit paying $10 a month for, let's say, 6 months during summer, and right now you want to reinstate like this young lady just asked me, if you just start paying $9.95 again, you're an affiliate for life. If you just stop paying, and believe me, everybody does. I mean, it's not uncommon. I won't bullcrap you. Most people, they'll join LiveGood, they'll do good for a while, then they'll take time off. Some people will kick butt, like myself. I'm very happy with my success, that's for sure. But a lot of people, they'll drift, and you know what? Just life gets in the way. But if you want to rejoin LiveGood again, just start paying that $9.95. You will get wholesale pricing, and you're still an affiliate. So if you'd like to earn money, awesome. Follow my YouTube channel. I'll send you templates of emails, subjects I put in the emails. I'll do everything I can to help you out because there's just no competition. There's just zero. You do have YouTube channel videos. Sure, people are emailing and posting, but most people, they drift off after a month where I don't. I'm a maniac. Guys, I post like a mofo. I really do. If you could be with me all day, I can't wait to make something or create something or email something about this little baby LiveGood. And that's why I've signed up 9 people in the last 12 days. I'm real proud of that. That's awesome. All right? Especially during Christmas time here in America, because most people I signed up over the last couple of weeks, they're in America. And right now, you know the holidays, even if you're into the Kwanzaa, the Hanukkah, or you don't even give a rat's ass about Christmas, you know many people just get completely sidetracked by the holidays and screwing off and messing off. But yeah, you can see. Today is December 11th. You can see the date right above my head here. But yeah, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that, 9 people. And you know what? By today, I'll probably have another sign up because you see right here this number. This is how many individual clicks I get just to my website, to joincory.com. Okay? This doesn't mean individual people. So right now, look, I'm already at 253. I'll hit well over 400 because I just barely started posting about LiveGood today. I haven't even emailed yet. I've been busy doing my other things that I do, like breakdance and eat breakfast. And I brushed half my teeth, and then I eat a lunch, and then I'll brush the other half. And I'm just kidding. But anyway, if I keep things fun and just give out simple advice, and my advice to join something or use something is very affordable, like joining LiveGood, $49.95. That's it, guys. You're an affiliate. You can earn money. I highly suggest you make some business cards like this at Vistaprint. Make them simple. I bought joincory.com and corydraper.com. Both lead to LiveGood. And when you get your own capture page, which you do for $49.95, you're going to have a website that just kicks serious butt. All the products, all the ingredients, wholesale, shipping, everything, customer service. You even have 3 months to use the products and get your money back. How cool is that? All right. There's so many videos out there that you can use to help promote. You can use mine. I don't care. I mean, I might mention Join Cory or blah, 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 but I have a lot of neutral videos too, where I just talk about LiveGood. And if you use that video, I don't mind, guys. I don't mind at all. Like I said, I don't consider LiveGood or any other online business competition because I know that since I think video is kind of fun. I think emailing is easy. With a couple clicks of my fingers after I write an email, and basically I have about 140 emails that I just reuse and I just rewrite. Okay? I send out over 100,000. 100,000 a day. Just by clicking. And it's all done by a company. They handle all the spam issues and all the rejected, dead link email addresses and everything else. And people are like, you've only been doing this a year and a half, but right now you're kicking butt, not only in LiveGood, but in 4 or 5 other opportunities. And guys, you can look it up publicly. All right, they have contests and they show leaderboards. Guys, if I'm not number 1, I'm number 2 or 3. I'm right now number 27 on the leaderboard in LiveGood. Pretty good with 1.6 to 1.7 million people out there, right? And all I do is post and make things fun. That's it. There's no secret sauce. But I will tell you how I get my business cards, how I design them, how I post. I'll give you all my emails for free, all my subjects. And then if you want to go to, CoryDraper.com, I'll just show you my screen again. Please just go there, because you will see how I use systems and software, not only to earn money in those opportunities, but they all complement LiveGood. People are like, how the hell did you sign up 9 people in the last couple weeks on this 2-year anniversary during Christmas? Because everyone else is like, they're shopping, they're screwing off, they're watching holiday movies. And I've signed up 9 people. Okay, there's people out there that want to earn money now. Sure, Christmas is coming up, but that's a few weeks away. Sure, LiveGood's 2-year birthday is coming up in 2 days, but you know what? Life goes on, and bills are coming. They're coming every 30 days usually, right? So why not earn money? And if you want to get in shape, awesome. Great products here. You can buy them wholesale. You got that $10 a month? Let's do it. All right, come on. Do I need to reach through your TV screen? Remember that creepy movie with the little girl with the black hair? Is it called The Grudge or, oh my God, or The Ring? I can't remember, but I remember watching late at night, there's a TV, and this little girl with really badass hair comes out, and she's scary. You don't want me to come out. All right, big old 6'2", 220-pound monster. And look, I got bad hair, but I put it in back of me. See, with my ponytail, I look like a clean-cut guy. If I just wear long sleeves, you couldn't tell I have these little tattoos that I got about 40 some odd years ago. So, all right, guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me, and I can answer you, because a lot of times I can cut and paste videos I've already done, and I type really fast. All right, I'm like a paralegal. Is that what it's called? Where you have to type real fast at a law firm? But I'm not shy, guys. I'll help you out. I don't care if you're signed up with my group or not. I learn a lot by your questions, okay? And we need to help each other succeed, because the more product that is purchased, guess what? Our products go down. A handful of our products, they're cheaper now, okay? And the ingredients are even better because we've learned a lot over 2 years. But the more buying power we have, like Walmart, guess what? Our CEO says, screw it. Let's just pass the savings on to you folks, the guys buying the products. All right. So let's get some friends and family and people out there aboard this Live Good train. All right. There's plenty of room, guys. Okay. Joincory.com, CoryDraper.com. And that's it. You can get a hold of me if you need something. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.